Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing the only fishing challenge. I'm sure people have done this. Yeah, I'm sure. Yep. Okay. So yeah, I know people have done this. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment whatever. Just comment lid YT or whatever, or just lid, or yeah, you can comment whatever. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I am not really sure where to land, but I do not want to land in like a where people are good at. Should I go like somewhere here? But that's kind of far. Should we go here? Let's go here on that little place I see, and then we can take this like to see if, or right here. Then we can take these flying things so we can see if you know, if the storm is far, we can take those. So, yeah, let's go. Oh, so this is 100. Okay. This is 100 players match, I see. No. Okay, I just have to fix that real quick. It's because I messed up my thing. I messed up my HUD. No way, there's actually people coming in here. Work. And I'm not gonna be able to kill them because I have to fish. Please give me a fishing rod. Please give me a fishing rod. Give me. Okay. Okay, yeah, so. And I forgot to mention this, but I can use heal. Because I think you can just use, you can only get, slur fish out of ponds and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that because that's gonna take long. That's fishing rod right there. Okay, let me just. Could we use traps? And then do dude! Yeah. Oh my god. So annoying, dude. Let me just. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not dealing with you, dude. Freaking annoying. I'm trying to trap you, but. Oh, I wish I could use that. Can't. That's not. Bro, I'm getting tagged. Could have just killed him, but I can't. Oh my, another person. No. I do not want to have trouble right now. Please. I don't want to mess this video up. Yo, can we use the campfire? This is the campfire. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, my kit. Mistake. I'm sure we're not gonna get nothing. Oh, we got it. No, that's not. Oh, we got it. Yeah. Awesome. Fine. harpoon gun would be good right now. Okay, I'm getting so much. Could have landed right in there. Oh, nice. I'm getting so much more fun. Okay, the zone is kind of far. I'm gotta go right now. It's not touching. At least you got a sniper. That's good. Alright. That was a flop fish, right? Yeah. Alright, okay. At least we got sniper, right? Or something. Yo, harpoon gun will be so good right now. But I can't get it. Oh. I can't get it because you can only get them from chest and shit. I'm from 4 loot. So yeah, I have 4 swappers. I'm sure I can survive this storm right now. 100%. Alright, so let's go. Let's go on top of this right here. The only thing I have right now is just a sniper, so I don't know if we can do much with the sniper right now. So yeah, let's try to fish on the spawn. Alright, a sniper. We can double snipe, kids. Okay, I'm gonna take the this for that because floppers are faster to eat, I guess you could say. Oh, I left the whole stack of small corn. I don't know if I should have done that. You don't even have mine. It's all good though. Now I feel bad for leaving the small fries. I should have dropped it. There's a lot more. Just I'm good. 6. Dude, I wish I could. 0 kills, by the way. Alright, let me just fix this up real quick. That's kind of big. Like a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's way better. Dang, dude. Bro, look at this kid, dude. This kid was fishing. Could I use this gun? Oh, the harpoon is worth right there, dude. Can I? I don't know if you can do it. Oh, dude. I saw a video that people are just getting blue snipers. Like, who was only just getting blue snipers? Was that gonna happen to me or something like that? Okay, we're almost in the 20s. It's almost like 20 people. Right there. Oh, shoot. 24 health. Alright, let's start fishing. No. I heard some gunshots on top. I don't know if people are looking at me right now. But that's not anything. A chance to be in. I can't do that. Rusty can. I can use a rusty can for like a, sort of like a weapon, I guess. Oh, why am I going here, dude? Okay. I'm gonna try to be smart at this game. I can use heals. I'm good. I'm gonna need. Yep, I'm gonna need. It doesn't look that far, but okay, this big hill. Hill I'm in, and I don't have to edge. If I die in a storm, this video is gonna get ruined. I'm not gonna make another one, but we're actually making progress without with 0 kills. Ooh, oh, I'm a sniper god. Ooh yeah. Oh, freak! I feel scared. Kid. You don't, kid. Oh, he just jumped over there. Now I'm blitz on this one. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Chill out, kid. I broke out his shield. Someone's expectating me. Where did this kid go? What the frick? Dude, where did this kid go? Give me your mats, kid. Give me your mats. Give me your ammo. Oh, that sniper was dope, good. I actually hit that. Okay, I have 2 spectators. Okay. Okay, no. What is that? Is that a fishing rod? Okay, that's that one. Okay, use the ammo. I just need a fishing rod. Oops. How can you tell which boy and a girl back? No sniper ammo? No sniper ammo. Oh, there's a river right here. And there's always these fishing rods are always near rivers. I might be able to. Yeah, I have to be like, I have to be quiet because I'm not that insane with the snipers. Yes! Okay, I don't care about that chest. I don't care about that chest. I don't care about that chest. This one's closed. Sun is close. If we win just with snipers, it's gonna be like we're camping. We're actually not camping. Ooh. Okay, that's a real person. I don't want to feel like a real person. Yes, dude! Let's go, bro! Got a sniper, dude. I mean, not sniper. What the frick am I saying, dude? I need some mats, though. Protect myself. Yeah, I'm gonna use this later, so I'm gonna take that. Be smart. This one was reloaded. I don't wanna waste a bullet. I'm gonna be smart about it. Yo, why is it? The whole lobby expectating me right now. That's crazy. That's crazy, dude. Top 7, by the way. Top 7. Okay. So, is that someone? Okay. Peek. I saw you peek. Yep, there it is. Okay, now I need some ammo, like, actually ammo. Is there some ammo here? Leftovers. Ooh, there's some healing. There's that. There's some healing. I'll take some healing. Oh, yes. Let's go. We had some ammo. But no sniper ammo. Yo, can we use this? Can we use that? I just used it. I'm gonna count as not cheating because I don't think it's cheating, right? I think that's like I don't think that's cheating. What is circle? This one's I don't know how much it takes. Some takes. This might be risky. Bro, if this comes to a healing game, I don't know if I'm kind of prepared. I'm never gonna find it. I'm gonna be smart about this, kid. Yo, people have chocolates. He's dead. Dude, if I win this game, yo, I'm shaking. Yes, bro, I'm goated. Oh my god. I got that lucky shot. Oh my god. Dude. Oh yes. was recording that. Let's go, bro. It's gonna be the best gun. What am I saying, dude? It's gonna be the best thing. Yeah. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Only using fishing. Let's go. Okay, thank you for all the support. I appreciate everything. And yeah, we got the win. Only fishing. Okay, my heart is pounding right now. Like, oh my god. I thought I was gonna die, dude. Oh my god. I'm glad that kid was low. Oh my god. And that other kid in the storm. I was sure he was gonna die because he was on white health. So, bro, oh my god. Okay, guys, thank you for all the support. Leave a like, subscribe, a comment. Okay, yeah. So, peace out. Skirt.